Every civilization is shaped by the materials it masters. In our time, that material is silicon. Welcome to the Semiconductor Age.
Imagine a future where our cities are silent, devoid of the hum of technology. This is a world without semiconductors. Your smartphone won't turn on. The internet disappears. Hospitals lose critical medical equipment. Traffic systems fail. Aircraft remain grounded. Satellites fall silent. Modern civilization begins to slow to a standstill. What disappeared? Not electricity, not the internet, not software. The answer is far more fundamental. Semiconductors. Hidden inside almost every modern electronic device is a remarkable class of materials called semiconductors. But what makes them so special? Why has one material become the foundation of the digital age? Materials behave differently when electricity tries to flow through them. Conductors like copper allow electricity to flow easily. Insulators like glass strongly resist it. Semiconductors occupy the fascinating middle ground. Semiconductors sit between conductors and insulators, making them essential in electronics for their controllable conductivity. The key property of semiconductors is their ability to control electricity, enabling countless technological advancements. Controlling electricity with semiconductors is like controlling water flow with a valve, enabling precise management of power. Today, semiconductors are everywhere. They power our smartphones, computers, automobiles, medical devices, communication networks, satellites, factories, and countless technologies we use every single day. The semiconductor revolution began in 1947 with the invention of the transistor. Integrated circuits followed. Then came the microprocessor, personal computers, smartphones, and artificial intelligence. In just a few decades, semiconductors evolved from a laboratory invention into the foundation of modern civilization. Every major technological revolution of our time, from cloud computing and 5G to electric vehicles and artificial intelligence, has one thing in common. At their heart lies the semiconductor. This is why we can confidently call our era the Semiconductor Age. Today, semiconductors are more than electronic components. They represent economic strength, technological leadership, and national security. The global race to develop and manufacture advanced chips has become one of the defining challenges of the 21st century. Around the world, governments and industries are investing billions of dollars in semiconductor manufacturing. The race is no longer just about technology. It is about shaping the future of innovation, economic growth, and strategic independence. Throughout history, human progress has been defined by the materials we learned to master. Stone gave us tools. Bronze built civilizations. Iron transformed industry. Steel reshaped infrastructure. Today, silicon has become the material that powers the digital world. Silicon is more than a material. It's the bridge to a better tomorrow, enhancing human capability and responsibility. Thank you for joining me on the very first journey through the semiconductor age. This is just the beginning. In our next episode, we'll go inside the chip and discover how ordinary sand is transformed into the silicon that powers our modern world. Until then, understand today, shape tomorrow. I'll see you in episode 2.